Okay, the final video that I am going to upload to kind of walk you through how this course will run focuses on the module projects themselves and how to upload them, what they need to look like, and how you will be able to fix them if you don't get the grade that you want. Okay, so after you have completed Module 1 training, you get your 100 out of 100. You come down here to Module 1, Project 1. Okay, you click on it, and then it will bring you hit start. Okay, and then you are going to come over here. It should look like this. This will be your first screen that you see. There will be an instruction file you have to download. There will be a start file that you have to download. So you click both of those and it will download automatically. Open them both, and you're going to need to use both of them at the same time. Your instructions will give you word for word what you need to do. Hit enable editing. Okay, and then the start document is what you will be working on. Everything is there for you. Okay, on the instructions themselves, you need to follow these word for word. Okay, so this first project says getting started. Open the file, available for download, save the file as, and then you have to change 1 to 2. Okay, so once you have these opened, I would go back to this start file that you've downloaded, go to File, Save As, okay, and then save it to a folder on your desktop that you can re-reference, okay? So if I go to my desktop, I have created a folder on here called Summer Computers. I will go there and I will save it here. That way you know when you're ready to submit, everything is taken care of. So step number 1 said to change that 1 to a 2. So you go delete that. That 1 becomes a 2, and that's what you're going to save it as. Okay, so that is already taken care of. Come back to the instructions. You are going to, again, follow the project steps word for word. So, number 1 says you contribute to a blog for film enthusiasts, which is ranking the 100 greatest films of all time. You are writing a blog post about the film Casablanca. Begin by formatting the blog title Film Buff Blog in bold. So I'm going to come back here, and where it says Film Buff Blog, we're going to highlight that, and then we're going to hit bold. If you don't know how to do that, you can find how to do that in the training video. Okay? Again, you can go back and reference that whenever you need to. Okay? Go to the second instruction, the second step. In the first line, increase the font size of the text Film Buff Blog 3 times. The size of the text should be 16 points when you are finished. So I'm going to come over here, going to highlight that, then I'm going to increase it to 16. Bingo. Okay. What you can reference when you are doing this, at the bottom of the instruction sheet is a picture of what the final product will look like. So if you are wondering what it should look like, this is what it should look like. Okay, so obviously mine doesn't look exactly like that. I'm sure there will be another step to center it, but you can always, always, always cross-check it with this final figure. Okay, when you are done and ready to submit, we're going to pretend that I am ready to submit right now. I'm going to save my changes, close out of it, okay? Come back here and hit continue, upload. Okay, I saved it right to my Summer Computers. How easy to find is that? Okay, so again, create something on your desktop that you can use to keep yourself organized. Otherwise, you will be downloading and dealing with so many files, it will be very confusing. Okay, when you are working in something save it to your summer computers or whatever you want to call it. Save it to that folder. Okay, you're going to click that, hit open, and then it says ready to submit. If that doesn't show a green check mark, then something is wrong. Something in the name of the file is incorrect. Okay, so I have submitted my assignment. It shows assignment submitted. I can come down here and hit view report, and it will show you everything that you got wrong on the assignment. Okay, come up here and it shows you your grade and what you need to do to fix it. Okay, so my score was a 16 out of 100 because I only did the first 2 steps. Okay, but it shows that I have all of this stuff that I need to fix. So if you did everything correctly, it will show you got a 100 out of 100. If you did not, it will give you a 95, a 90, whatever it is, okay? And then this is what I submitted. So the report will have your score, it will have what you need to fix, and it will show you your submission, okay? It will even break this down for you over here. So use this report, okay? Use it, fix it on the document you submitted, and then you can re-upload, okay? Come back over here, click out of it, and then when everything refreshes, it should show your score over there as well, okay? So if you come over here and you hit June 1st, Project 1, you will have 3 more submissions, okay? Or 2 more submissions. You have 3 chances to get the best possible grade, okay? The computer takes the best grade. It's not up to me. It's whatever the computer whatever you submit to the computer. The computer does all of the grading, okay? You need to read word for word and follow it word for word, okay? If something silly happens where you use the wrong font, it will mark you wrong. So you have to be very careful, okay? Mrs. Ryan and I will be available from 9 to 1 every single morning, Monday through Friday. We will be reaching out to students who aren't on track, reaching out to students who might need a little bit extra help, okay? But if you need us, that is where you can reach us, is our email. That'll be the easiest for you during those times, okay? If you email us after hours, we might not get back to you until the next morning. It just kind of depends, okay? We are here to help you as much as possible, so please let us know if there's anything we can do.